Hey Android users, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install mSpy on your Android device. Whether you're setting up parental controls or just looking to monitor a device for security reasons, mSpy is one of the best tools out there. I've personally tested it, and I'll walk you through the whole process from downloading to setting it up correctly so you can start monitoring right away. Stick around to the end for some helpful tips to make sure the installation goes smoothly. Just to keep it real, I'm an affiliate for most of the companies I review, but I only recommend products I've personally tried and trust. If you're considering giving them a try, using the affiliate link below not only supports the channel, but also unlocks an exclusive discount you won't find otherwise. It's a great way to get the best deal while supporting the channel at the same time. To install mSpy, start by purchasing a subscription by clicking link in description. Create an account using a valid email address, choose the device you want to monitor, select a subscription package. mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use the service. You can choose from a 1-month plan at around $48, a 3-month plan at about $28 per month, or a 12-month plan at roughly $11 per month. The 12-month plan offers the best value for long-term monitoring. After purchasing subscription, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order details, a link to the control panel, and your username and password. You'll need these to install the app and access your control panel. Before you can set up the app, you'll need to disable Play Protect on the target phone. Get your child's phone. Make sure it's unlocked and fully charged, then open the Play Store. Tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner and turn off Scan Device for security threats. Next, disable notifications to prevent any alerts from appearing. From the main screen, go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store. Find Notifications and toggle off Show Notifications. Now let's download the mSpy installer. Open Google Chrome and type this URL into the address bar. Press Go, pass the CAPTCHA verification, and tap Download. Once it's downloaded, tap Open. Here comes the exciting part, installing mSpy. Tap Install and then Open. Allow all pop-ups to grant the app access to phone data, calls, contacts, location, messages, etc. Follow the wizard's instructions and grant all the necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Enter the registration code you received earlier, then tap Complete Installation. That's it, you're done. Now that mSpy is installed, you can start monitoring your child's phone. Log into your mSpy account from any browser. When you first log in, it might take a few minutes for mSpy to gather all the information, so be patient. When comparing mSpy to other monitoring apps, it stands out for its comprehensive feature set and user-friendly interface. Unlike many competitors, mSpy is a robust and reliable monitoring solution, especially for parents wanting to keep their children safe online. Its extensive feature set, including real-time location tracking, social media monitoring, and discreet operation, makes it a standout choice in the market. Although it may seem a bit pricey compared to some competitors, the value it offers in terms of functionality and ease of use justifies the cost. With an intuitive dashboard and strong customer support, mSpy provides peace of mind and a powerful tool for responsible monitoring. Click the link in the description below and download mSpy now. Always remember to use it within legal boundaries and with the consent of the person being monitored.